Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, and we'll show you where you can expect and find the fuse for the CD changer if you have CD changer. Now, BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes throughout the whole generation, so yours could differ, but in most cases I think it's about the same. But always consult your service provider, your manual as well, to make sure that this is the correct one. So let me show you where you can expect to find and how to remove and replace the fuse for the CD changer now. Okay, you need to come inside guys. Open the glove compartment here. Okay, now right here you can see we have that cover. Okay, that cover needs to come out. So those round things need to be turned 90 degrees to point up. Okay, like that, and you can pull it out. Now, we have 2 fuses that could be for the CD changer, not just one. We're going to use the fuse puller that BMW provided. You just slide it out. The big part is for the smaller, medium fuses. This one is for the little fuses, and those huge fuses you have to pull them by hand or with needle screwdriver, pliers, my bad. So now the first fuse that could be for the CD changer is fuse number 8. Okay, fuse number 8 guys. Okay, you can see those 3 boxes on top. It's the middle box right there. Okay, this box right here, the top row, the very one in the middle. Okay, the third one from left to right. And this is fuse number 8. So let me go ahead and pull it out quick. Okay, you can see, grab it with the pull up and just pull it out. So I'll get the replacement one now. Okay, and push it in. You need to make sure that you go in the correct order, because sometimes you'll be missing fuses around it and you don't want to install it in the wrong hole. Now the next fuse that could be for the CD changer is fuse number 18. You go on the very left box here, the bottom row, this row right here, and it's the middle fuse again, the third one from left to right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, that fuse right there. So any of these fuses guys is for the CD changer, number 8 and number 18. You just remove it and install it in the same way that we did this one. Don't forget to install your fuse puller right there on those 2 round things so you don't lose it. Put your cover up and you're ready to go. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.